Welcome to the Introduction to VGS5 tutorial. This is Chaz
and Ashley
with the VGS Dev team. This tutorial provides a summary of VGS5, its overall design, and how it is used.
VGS is a free suite of software that is designed for recording, managing, and reporting quantitative and qualitative ecosystem data. It provides a repository for organizing and managing data, including photos, documents, GPS coordinates, and other information associated with sampling. It is also an electronic tool for recording data in the field as well as historical data in the office. It also has the ability to produce reports and tools for summary and presentation of results in the field and office.
VGS is designed to have a hierarchical structure. For example, a region within the Forest Service contains forests, districts, allotments, pastures, and monitoring sites. Data can be stored in 3 different types of folders: unassigned sites, syncable folders, and local folders. Other tutorials in this series cover this information more in depth. The root folder, or top of the hierarchy, is the main level of your organization. Sites where data is collected are generally stored at the bottom of the hierarchy.
Within sites, general location information can be recorded, and specific data can be recorded at multiple points in time in the protocol event log. A variety of site types are available, including exclosures, inventory points, key areas, and photo points. Sites in VGS are simply references to a location. These sites are made up of general location information, site descriptive surveys, photos, documents, and an event log that organizes data collection events by date and type.
Data collection events are added as multiple points in time in the event log. These events use custom, user-defined sampling and survey protocols, which are designed to be efficient for field data collection. Protocol metadata and notes, including contact information on data observers and recorders, can be added to each event and are included on subsequent data reporting. Once created, the protocols can be used and shared among devices, ensuring standardized data capture. A tabular view is also available for historical data transcription. VGS utilizes the NRCS plants database for easy plant lookup and recordation and includes the ability to save frequently and previously used plants list. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For user support, please contact the VGS Dev team at vgs.arizona.edu.